Hi guys, if HDMI is not working on your Mac, so how to fix this? First of all, click on settings and go to displays and make sure the external monitor which you have connected via HDMI is listed here. If it is not, try to manually connect on this page. Now, another thing to note is click on battery and make sure your computer is not on low power mode. Just disable low power mode, okay, and then try again. Now if this also does not work, then what you can do, you can just change the sleep settings of your MacBook. So what you have to do, you have to just click on lock screen, okay, and just make sure to increase this to a larger value or never, okay, so that your computer don't sleep when connected via HDMI, okay, and then see if it makes a difference. You can also run this command in the terminal of the MacBook, okay. I have pasted this command in the description of this video. So it just alters the sleep settings and just set it to never, okay. So after doing this, see whether it fixes your issue or not. If this is also not fixing your issue, then what you can do, you can try a USB-C digital AV multi-port adapter. You can buy it from Apple or any third party. Just try HDMI to USB-C adapter and try connecting the HDMI to this and just USB-C part to your MacBook, and then many users said that their problem disappeared and it worked for them. Thanks for watching. Please do